Hey everyone! If you're thinking about cutting cable and switching to live TV streaming, you've probably seen YouTube TV and Sling TV everywhere. But here's the real question. Which one is actually better for you in 2026? Today, I'll break it down clearly. Pricing, channels, features, and real-world experience so you don't waste money on the wrong service. And if you enjoy tech comparisons like this, hit subscribe early so you don't miss future videos. Quick overview. YouTube TV is an all-in-one live TV streaming service. It's designed to replace traditional cable, completely simple setup, one main plan, and a very polished experience. Best for people who want everything to just work. Sling TV, on the other hand, is about flexibility and lower cost. Instead of one big package, you choose smaller channel bundles like Sling Orange or Sling Blue and build your plan based on what you actually watch. So already, we're looking at simplicity versus customization. Let's compare the things that actually matter. First, channels. YouTube TV offers a wide lineup right out of the box. Major networks, sports, news, and local channels included in most areas. Sling TV has fewer channels by default, and local channels are limited depending on your location. You often need add-ons. Winner, YouTube TV, especially for local channels and sports fans. Second, pricing and value. YouTube TV costs more monthly, but it's predictable, one main plan, no confusion. Sling TV is cheaper to start, but the price can climb once you add extras like sports, news, or local channels. Winner. Tight budget Sling TV. One simple bill, YouTube TV. Third, ease of use. YouTube TV has one of the best interfaces in live streaming, fast, clean, and very beginner-friendly. Sling TV's interface is fine, but feels more manual and less polished, especially when managing add-ons. Winner, YouTube TV. Fourth, DVR and performance. YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR, which is a huge deal, record everything without thinking about storage. Sling TV limits DVR unless you pay extra, and storage is capped. Streaming quality and reliability are solid on both, but YouTube TV is more consistent during live sports and peak hours. Winner, YouTube TV. So here's the real takeaway. If you want a premium, cable-like experience with great DVR, strong sports coverage, and zero setup headaches, YouTube TV is the better choice. If you're trying to save money, don't care about every channel, and like customizing your plan, Sling TV makes more sense. There's no one-size-fits-all winner, it depends on how you actually watch TV. That's the comparison. Let me know in the comments. Which one would you choose, YouTube TV or Sling TV? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for more details. I'll see you in the next one.